Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make county fair funnel cake. Funnel cakes are a classic summertime American treat. I have fond memories of eating them at the county fair when I was growing up. Today I'm going to show you how to make them. They're actually super easy to make, and boy are they tasty. Start by whisking 2 eggs in a large mixing bowl. You want to break up the yolks and whisk them for about 30 to 60 seconds until they start to get frothy. Once those are all whisked up, we're gonna add in a cup of milk as well as 1 cup of water and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and give that a quick whisk. You really only need maybe 15 to 20 seconds of whisking on that, just enough to combine it. Then add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of baking powder to help these puff up, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and whisk that in. Last, we'll add in 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Dump that on in and start whisking it together. You should end up with still a very liquidy batter. It should still be a pourable consistency so you can pour it through a funnel. You want to get out as many of the lumps as you can, and then it's time to head on over to the stove and get ready to fry. Cover the bottom of a heavy skillet with about 1 inch of vegetable oil and get it heating to 375 degrees. Now, you can transfer all of your batter to a piping bag and drizzle it in that way, but to make a real funnel cake, you gotta use a funnel, and you'll also need a ladle to scoop up your batter and put it into the funnel. Plug the bottom of the funnel with your finger so that none of the batter comes out, and then we'll scoop in some batter and drizzle it in a swirling motion around in the pan. You can actually make them any size that you want. Give them 2 minutes to fry, and then I use a slotted spatula to gently flip it over and use the side of the pan so you don't splash. And let it cook on the other side for 2 minutes as well until it's golden brown. Once it's done, remove it from the pan and put it on a plate and dust it with a little bit of powdered sugar, and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.